Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Apex Legends Xbox One Easy Guide. Start by signing in both controllers to your Xbox One, then launch Apex Legends from the dashboard. Have the second player press on the title screen to join as a guest or their EA account. Adjust controller mappings and display settings in the options menu for comfort. Keep both controllers charged and stay close to the TV for best response. In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Apex Legends Xbox One Easy Guide. After both players are signed in, open Apex Legends and wait for the lobby to appear. The second player should press at the title to be detected and added to the lobby instantly. Choose a game mode that supports 2 players locally, then invite your partner to party up and pick Legends. Test aim and sensitivity quickly before jumping into matches. In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Apex Legends Xbox One Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: if you like easy solutions, the meal prep containers shown here are a lifesaver for gamers who hate messy kitchens. I dropped the product link in the description so you can check prices and deals, and it pairs nicely with long gaming sessions to keep snacks fresh. If this helps, subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play split screen on Apex Legends Xbox One Easy Guide. Once in a match, keep communication tight and call out enemy positions, loot requests, and revive plans clearly. Use pings often to reduce voice overlap and avoid friendly fire mistakes in tight fights. Consider lowering graphic intensity to preserve frame rate for both players, and swap controller sensitivities until both players feel comfortable with aiming and movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.